Even the best artists face setbacks. Learn how to quickly fix common painting mistakes and turn mishaps into masterpieces. Mistakes on canvas don't have to be permanent. With the right techniques, you can correct almost any error and enhance your painting skills along the way. Let's dive into how to handle these common issues. Overpainting can clutter your artwork. If this happens, gently scrape away excess paint with a palette knife, or let it dry and carefully paint over the area to simplify the composition. To avoid color bleeding, ensure each layer is dry before applying the next. Use controlled strokes and less fluid paint when working wet on wet to keep your colors pristine. Uneven textures can be smoothed out. Once dry, gently sand the area or apply a thin layer of gesso to even out the surface before you continue painting. Regular breaks help you spot errors before they settle. Always practice patience, allowing layers to dry fully, and keep a sponge handy to dab away any immediate mistakes, especially with acrylics. Embrace challenges as opportunities to grow. For more painting tips and tricks, subscribe to our channel and transform your artistic journey.